diligence in taking care of your business is being on top of your finances. So the tools we are looking at today are really going to help you be diligent to know the state of your flock and your heart. What's money looking like in your business? Hi there, welcome to yet another episode of Take That Business, where we show you how to leverage technology to get more done in your business. And today we get into a very exciting topic. We'll be talking about the 5 best accounting software for small businesses. And for you as an African entrepreneur, this is really big for you to see what to do a lot more in your business, especially on the finances. The Bible in Proverbs chapter 27 verse 23 says, "Be diligent to know the state of your flock and attend to your herds." The inference here for you as an entrepreneur, because there it was speaking to people who their business was taking care of flock. For you, it means diligence in taking care of your business is being on top of your finances. So the tools we are looking at today are really going to help you be diligent to know the state of your flock and your herd. What's money looking like in your business? Are you making a profit? Yeah? And these tools will help you to do that. So tool number 1 is Wave. So Wave is a fairly old tool. It's been here for a few years and it's completely free, really powerful. It allows you to do the core aspects around accounting. So it will allow you to do invoicing. It will allow you to do sending out, getting the typical reports, your profit and loss. It will allow you to get your balance sheet, get you set up initially. So it's a good first tool just starting out in leveraging tech in keeping track of your finances. So if you're looking for somewhere to start, it's a good tool to start. So they don't make money from subscriptions, they make it from extra additional services. If you're going to use their payroll service or any of their extra services, that's when they start to make money, or even their payment processing. The downside is they've switched a few things, and so they only allow businesses that are registered in the US and in Canada. So if that is not where you are, then do not worry, there's another tool that I have for you. So tool number 2 is called WPERP, so WordPress ERP. So it does a lot more, because ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning, which is a broad term for a lot of tools that allow businesses to digitize various aspects of the business process. But since we are speaking specifically about accounting, WPERP does have the accounting aspect covered for you. It's a completely free tool and it works well. It works if you actually have a WordPress site. Many small businesses are already running a WordPress site, so I know this is relevant for quite a number of you. And if you don't have a site yet, I already have another video that is linked in here where I show you how to set up your very first site for free, and still I use WordPress. So for you who's already running a WordPress site, WPERP is a powerful plugin that you can add in there, and it will allow you to do invoicing, get some reports in there, and even as you grow, it has some extra features in there like your HR management, leave requests, and all of that. So even beyond the accounting that it gives you, which is core, which is what I'll speak to today, it has some extra things that you can get to do all from the comfort of your website. So that is tool number 2. Tool number 3, and this now breaks free of the confines of tool number 1 and tool number 2. This now applies to every one of you. Zoho Books. So Zoho Books is a tool that has been here for a while as well, and it's part of the entire Zoho ecosystem. Zoho has a lot of tools that do different things for business. So it's quite comprehensive in its accounting features. So it's also user friendly. And as you grow, it also grows with you. So it has a lot of things in there that will allow you to do invoicing, give you a bit more reports, even more reports than what Wave will typically give you. It will also give you a bit more granular control over certain aspects that Wave might not give you starting out. So as you grow as a business, Zoho Books is really up there. And if you check out the tutorial I'll be linking to, you'll see a bit more of what it can do for you as a business. Tool number 4 is Xero. So Xero is a bit more advanced than the other tools that I've mentioned. It has more in-depth reporting, a bit more in-depth features. So if you're scaling as a business, if you're starting to break free of the small business definition, as you start to scale, which I know many of you will, then Xero might be a tool for you to explore. It does have a bit of a learning curve, so it works really well if you have a bit more complex aspects about your accounting, so it will do well for you as you start to scale. And then tool number 5 is the good old QuickBooks. And once I mentioned QuickBooks, I know some businesses already use QuickBooks, but they use the offline version, the desktop version. Do not use the desktop version. Yeah, there's a lot you're missing out on. Your entire accounting is at the mercy of that single device that holds that installation. So if anything happens to that device, yeah, lo and behold, your accounting records are gone. Also, the other aspect is you have to wait for someone to get to that device, get you your reports, and then send them to you. You can't work like that as you run a business. As an entrepreneur, to be diligent to know the state of your flux, one of those aspects is having your finances at your fingertips. And it doesn't take much to move from the desktop version to the online version. So when I say QuickBooks, don't say, I already have it. QuickBooks Online, get the online version. It will cost a bit more than all the others, but it has a lot of features. And also, as I said, it might not be as intuitive starting out, but it has things that the others might not be able to give you, especially when you get to a certain scale as a business. It will also be able to handle your budgeting in there, for you to be able to handle payroll in there. So it's a very feature-rich tool. It's also been there for quite a while. It's one of the older tools in this game. So even in that from that perspective, it has been tried and tested and refined a lot over time. So that's the tool I'll end off with in this walkthrough of the tools you can look through. So as a business, you need to be on top of your finances, and those 5 tools are a really powerful way to get started. If you want to take it even further and try out another really free tool where you're just starting, I'll link to another video where we take you through a basic Google Sheet, but that's for if you're really just starting out. If you've been running for some time, one of the free tools we've covered will serve you better. So if you enjoyed this, hit the like button. But to get more tips on how to grow your business, how to leverage tech specifically to make various touch points of your business even better, subscribe to our channel and let's take that business to the next level. Thank you.